Hello, this is going to be a video of GE Box Fan number 3. Let me walk in front of the camera. This is GE Box Fan number 3. This is an old one. Here, I'll start it up. This is one that has better lighting in this video. Putting lights above atop my dresser. Well, I'll address that right now. That's because it is on there just to get the air moving much better. Now here is the meter seat. Yes, I know, everybody's like, oh, that's so dangerous to have the grills off. I have the grills off because whenever I had them on, it would make the fan very loud. So it would rattle the grills to hell. But yeah, I cannot show you the back right now. Sorry. Because I took the camera off the charger and I don't want to do that right now. Let me check the battery. And it's full, but it might not be. It might just be past a certain threshold that it needs to be at for the full thing to show. But yeah, it takes a little while to spin down. Then you can want to see the hub. That's it right there. But yeah, that's all unzoomed, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.